A very good evening. Yesterday I came live. Again today is another live. What is the importance of December 24? Anyone knows? It is the National Consumer Rights Day. So I wish all my well-wishers, all my subscribers, who view my channel, share my channel, subscribe my channel, both brothers and sisters from my motherland, India, Bharat, and from through the world, a very happy and prosperous National Consumer Rights Day, December 2004 greetings. എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം, നമസ്തേ. Including happy National Consumer Rights Day, December 2004 greetings. എല്ലാവർക്കും വണക്കം, നമസ്തേ. Including happy National Consumer Rights Day, December 2004 greetings. सभी देशों को नमस्कार जी, नमस्ते. वेरी गुड इवनिंग सभी भाई बहनों सभी को मैं हृदयपूर्ण हैप्पी नेशनल कंज्यूमर राइट्स डे December 2004 greetings. Now let us come to the point. Why we are celebrating this National Consumer Rights Day, Because in the year 1986 only, our Constitution of India by the then Government of India decided to celebrate every year December 24 as the National Consumer Rights Day, because only on this day, on December 24, 1986, the Consumer Protection Rights Act was enacted. So to commemorate the memory of the Consumer Protection Right as enacted, we are celebrating this National Consumer Rights Day. What is the National Consumer Rights Day? What is the right a consumer has? Just think, what rights? Say, for example, let me say, you are going to a hotel, you are having some food, right? You are going to a hotel, you have some food. Sometimes the food, what you ate, is not up to the mark. So what you do? You can't do anything else. You will get the bill and you will pay the bill. But after getting the bill also, some hotel they get the bill and they will have it. Sometimes, for example, if you are taking meals, you have to pay the meals token first. Then after eating the meals, you are giving the token there. So what to do? At the time you can, if you are eating some food, if it is a spoiled food or food of the previous day, you could file a complaint regarding the hotel. Now it is very easy. You can find the TIN number of each and every shop. You could raise a complaint against the hotel or against the food product. That is what the consumer rights means. For example, you are going to a medical shop and you are buying a medicine by which the expiry has taken place. But you are going to the medical shop and you are asking the pharmacist, I bought this medicine but I could not get it has already expired, so what to do? He says, it is not my duty, it is your fault. You are not seeing, while you are purchasing the medicine, you are not seeing. At the time, you could see the batch number and manufacturing date and which company that product is manufactured and from which medical shop you just bought, and you could file a complaint in the consumer court where the protection of the consumers take place. There you can Shugal Haji. There you could raise the complaint against the medical shop where you got the default medicine which you could not take. Sometimes the default medicine which you take you may cause some other disease which you never even thought of. There comes the consumer protection right. There comes the consumer court. For example, let me say one thing. It's my own experience. I bought some product from some online market. That product is a radio which is manufactured. I don't want to mention the online company name, but I just say what happened to my in my experience. That that radio has been brought imported from South Africa. It's a transistor. After buying that through online, after 6 months it stopped working. And when I contacted the online marketing organization, they said it is not our fault. We are given 15 days time. Within the 15 days stipulated period, if you have any fault, you are to you could get replaced. After 15 days, we will not replace. See, if you are buying a product, it should be we should have minimum 6 months or 1 year or 2 year or 3 year or 5 year guarantee, right? This online group, online marketing group or organization, they never had this guarantee at all. So better don't buy from that online organization. That's my own experience. See, here I cannot raise a complaint against that people, because they are saying that as per their norms, they used to replace the things within a fraction of 15 days after the delivery of the product. After 15 days, they never think of giving this product replacement or any guarantee or warranty or anything else. So that is a good experience which I got. So my beloved subscribers, my beloved well-wishers, please don't buy anything from online. That is the experience which I got. If you buy from online, you could not get any replacement, you could not get any warranty, you could not get any guarantee, or you could not complain in the consumer court regarding the consumer unable to use the product. You cannot file any petition. So there comes the consumer rights. Consumer rights, we have got so many rights. So what the thing is, a good consumer or good customer must buy the bill from any shop which you buy. If you are buying the bill, you could gain access to the consumer court or consumer protection rights. If you are not getting the bill, you could not file any case against the product which you bought within a fraction of 6 months or 1 year or 2 years. So the bill plays a main role in consumer protection rights or consumer protection act. The consumer protection act was enacted in the year 1986. So when the act as came, that day is going to be celebrated as National Consumer Rights Day. For example, let me say one more thing. If you are buying some food items, if the expiry date has completed, and if you are asking the shop or the manufacturer to replace, they never replace. At that time only you could use this consumer court. You could file a petition regarding the manufacturing date, batch number, regarding the bill, from which shop you bought, which company they are manufacturing. There plays the role of the manufacturing company, batch number, manufacturing date, and what are the ingredients they are using. Sometimes if you are buying noodles, if you are cooking noodles, you may feel dizziness or something else. Other time you could file a complaint regarding the noodles composition or noodles ingredients. Sometimes it has got some chemicals. See guys, if you are not having chemicals, how the noodles is not getting spoiled for so many days? It's a good question, right? There are so many ingredients they are using. Otherwise, the product will not get. The product will get spoiled. This product is not getting spoiled. Why? Because of the harmful ingredients you are having. That is the so. My well wishers, my subscribers, brothers and sisters from my mother in India, but from through the world, please do have or cultivate or inculcate the habit of getting bill from the shops or from any online company you are getting. You just get the bill by which you could raise a complaint against the default product. Otherwise, it's impossible. It is essential to get the bill of the product you buy. If you're buying a gold, if you're buying gold, if the gold is not pure, it's not pure, what you do? You cannot do anything else. You are paying a lot of money, heavy amount. So that plays the role. There you could use this bill and you could file a petition or complaint in the consumer courts. There is a forum called Consumer Redressal Forum. Consumer Redressal Forum. For example, let me say what is happening right now in our state Kerala. What is happening is there are so many chit companies. So many people are investing money in chits. And what one fine day, the chit company owner gets leave the place, and there will be no company called chit company. So he invested some money, a heavy amount. What you do? You cannot do anything else. If you have the bill regarding the chit company, you could go to the Consumer Redressal Forum. It is a court for the protection of the consumer rights. You could file a petition and you could get the amount what you invested in that chit company, provided that candidate or the owner has to be in India. If you left India, you can't do anything else. You have to wait a long. These are the rights given by the Consumer Rights Day, National Consumer Rights Day. These are the consumer rights. So the consumer rights are nothing but it is for the protection of the consumer regarding the product. If you are buying some edible products from instant made, sometimes if you are making that product or cooking the product, you may get some disease or anything else. At that time, you could make a complaint to the Consumer Rights Forum. That is the importance of the National Consumer Rights Day. The consumer will get the right. There are so many states in India, so many letters in India. If you are buying any product from any state or any territory, you could go to the concerned Consumer Rights Forum of that state and you could complain. You could register a complaint regarding the product which you got default. So you could get some good amount of money in return. You understand? That is important of the Consumer Redressal Forum. Okay? Once again, I would like to thank my beloved subscribers. A very happy and prosperous National Consumer Rights Day, December 2024. That's all for today. Shubharatri Shubha. Good night. Take care. See you. Bye.